Hi Biotech TV. I'm standing near the intersections of Broadway and Ames Street in Kendall Square. And on this episode of Around Kendall, I want to show you 3 construction projects all right next to each other and scheduled to open over the next 3 years that are going to transform not just Kendall, but the whole biotech scene. So you have AstraZeneca's new R&D facility, a brand new residential tower, and then over this way, Biogen's new global headquarters. So let's start with the AstraZeneca building because it's the nearest to completion. In fact, the AZ logo is already up. Scheduled to be ready in the first part of next year, AstraZeneca will have 570,000 square feet in this 16-story building. It will bring together corporate, commercial, and lab space for R&D workers, and will be the headquarters of Alexion. I have to say, when you walk around Kendall these days, you cannot miss this building in the skyline. Next is the new residential tower. Right next door to AstraZeneca, and scheduled to open a year later, so the early part of 2027, this will be 37 stories, which will make it the tallest building in all of Cambridge. Anyone who knows Kendall knows that if it has a weak spot, it's that commuting here can be frustrating. So having all this new residential space right in the heart of the biotech area where people could live surely will be a good thing for the area. And finally is the new Biogen headquarters. Scheduled to be ready sometime in 2028. They've just started on this. In fact, they'll have an official groundbreaking ceremony later in September. This 16-story, 580,000 square foot building is just a stone's throw away from Biogen's current headquarters, so it should be an easy move. In addition to being the headquarters, they'll also have Biogen co-labs here for startups. So now you've seen 3 new buildings that will surely transform not just Kendall, but the whole biotech scene over the next 3 years. So be sure to follow Biotech TV's social channels to see more episodes and to find out what's going on around Kendall.